Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Well, as you all know that this is almost June and June is celebrated as a Pride month. Love is love whether the person is from LGBT group or not. So we should always show respect and give love to everyone. Now celebrating the Pride month, I have created this beautiful look where I am just showing the equality, the love and respect to everyone who is in love. So let's just together create this beautiful look which I created specially celebrating the Pride month. Yeah, let's just get started and let's see how I created this look. So I'm using a James Charles palette and I would be using an orange peachy shade and I would be applying it all over my lid and also focusing on my crease area. Just keep blending it. The second color I'm using is a dark orange shade and I would be again highlighting the outer corners and also my crease area. Just keep blending it because blending definitely will make that transition effect on your face and it next color which I'm using is a yellow color and I would be applying it on the front end of my eyes and just using a small eyeshadow brush I would be applying it. On the other side of my eye, I am using a pink shade and I would be applying it on the outer corners. Just keep blending it. Now using a dark pop of pink color, I would be applying it just over the last color and I would be just making that pinky transition effect and I just keep blending it. I'm going to be taking is the purple, just creating that pride flag look on the other side of my eye and just keep blending it like on the other half. And once that is done, I would be using a little blue shade and then I would be again applying it on my eye, blending it into the last color which you use. Now next color I'm using a light blue color. Now again blend it in the last blue eyeshadow which you used. And now on the front side of my eye, I would be using a green color, which would be a very light green color, and then using a small eyeshadow brush, I would be applying it. Using a big powder brush, I would be applying the orange shade on the one side of my eye near my eyebrows, a little bit on my cheeks. And then on the other side, I would be using a mix of purple, pink and blue color. Create that little pinky and greenish, bluish effect on the other side. And on the one side, the orange, yellow, red effect. Just keep blending it so that all the colors are blended out really nicely and it doesn't look like that you're just messing around with the colors. So make sure you're blending each and every color, each and every eyeshadow really nicely. Now once that is done, I would be curling both of my eyelashes and then using a Total Temptation mascara, I would be applying the mascara on both of my eyes. Using all-time favorite Flutter lashes from BLAQ label. Now on the one side I would be using a orange shade under my lower lash line and on the other side I'm again creating that transition of green, purple, pink and then applying it on the lower lash line. The Pride face paint from Revolution, I would be creating the letters on my face. Now this is totally an optional step. If you want to leave the look like that, you can just leave it like that, but I just wanted to create that letters and I just wanted to give that effect of like where everyone seems to be equal. We should not treat each other different because everyone is equal. So that's why I just wanted to create that letters of he, she, you and they. Everyone's free, so you are no one to judge them. We should always give love and respect to each and everyone. So you need to actually spend time while creating the letters, but this face paint palette is very pigmented, and it doesn't take time to create the letters on your face, and I'm really impressed with this palette. So it's a much recommended one. Now I'm also using a white paint from the same palette, and I'm just applying it on the area where I blended out the color on my face. Now this is again an optional step, but I felt like that this area was left out, so I wanted to give that effect on my face where it should not look like that this area is left out. So that's why I applied the white paint. Now this is my final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys find this look really simple and very easy, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also check out my post on my Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. I am signing off from this video. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. I love you guys so much. Till then, take care. Bye bye.